Hey everyone, today we're diving into an essential topic that can make or break any business in the tech world: maintaining trust and client relationship in IT. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting in the industry, understanding how to build and maintain trust with your clients is crucial. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone working in the tech industry: maintaining trust in client relationship in IT. Trust is the foundation of any successful partnership, and I'm going to share some key practices that can help you build and maintain that trust. First up, let's talk about transparency. What does it mean? It's all about open and clear communication about the project status, including any challenges or risks. For example, imagine you're in the middle of a project and your client requests several few features that weren't part of the original agreement. Instead of just saying yes and risking delays, you hold a meeting to discuss the impact on budget and timeline. By being upfront, your client will appreciate your honesty and clarity. Next is honesty. This goes hand in hand with transparency. Let's say you're deploying a critical project or an hardware fails. Instead of trying to cover it up, you're informed to client immediately, provide an updated timeline, and work on sourcing a replacement. This kind of honesty reinforces the client's confidence in your problem solving ability. Now let's talk about adhering to standards. This means meeting the agreed upon timelines and quality expectations. Picture this: you encounter integration issues that delay your project. Instead of cutting corners, your team steps up and allocates extra resources to meet the deadline. The client will be impressed by your dedication to delivering quality work on time. Accountability is another key practice. If there's a mistake, own it. Let's say you delivered a critical security patch late. The best approach is to inform the client right away, explain the situation, and provide a fix. Offering additional support or a discount show that you take responsibility, which strengthens your relationship. Ethical dilemmas number 5 is security vulnerabilities. Ethics in IT is vital, especially when managing sensitive information. If an audit reveals a security vulnerability, the right move is to disclose it immediately to your client, explain the steps you're taking to resolve it, and present a plan to prevent future issues. This disclosure builds trust and show integrity. Number 6 is building long-term partnership. Finally, let's talk about building long-term partnerships. This isn't just about completing one project, it's about establishing an ongoing collaborative relationship. For instance, if you proactively suggest regular systems upgrades for an outdated infrastructure, your client will appreciate your commitment to this success, leading to a stronger partnership. So to wrap it up, Maintaining trust in client relationship is all about transparency, honesty, accountability, and ethical behavior. These practices not only lead to client satisfaction but also strengthen long-term partnership. Remember, building trust is an ongoing process that requires dedication and clear communication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.